This is Bert from Infrared Heating UK, and in this video I'm going to show you the Heatmiser room thermostat, what we use for underfloor heating, and it can also be used for heating panels or any electric heating equipment. I connected the floor temperature sensor already, so I can show you how to adjust the floor temperature limit and how to set the thermostat to use both built-in air temperature sensor and floor temperature sensor at the same time. So this is the Heatmiser Thermostat, which can be used for underfloor heating and also to control any electric heating equipment. So I show you the setup for the floor temperature and air temperature sensor, so they would work together. So you select the setup, and then you go to point 6, where it actually is already pre-selected. Third point is the floor temperature sensor and the built-in air temperature sensor together. Also, you set the time here too, and the date. You need to hold it and then go to the clock. So this is not a touchscreen thermostat. You need to use these buttons to set it. So there is the year, the month, the day, and then the time. 11 there. So it's all set. So let's just check if the sensor is still set. Yeah, it's still set to floor and air. Great. So the thermostat shows the air temperature. It actually doesn't show the floor temperature, and it's a black and white display. Selecting or adjusting the set point for the thermostat is very simple. You use these little arrows and just go up or down. So I'm going to select 24 degrees, and now it's on. You can just go down, and if you select a temperature under the room temperature, then it will go off. So that is simple. I'm going to show you how to set the maximum floor temperature limit. On this model, you cannot set the minimum temperature, so there is only a maximum temperature, which is between 20 and 45 degrees. So in the setup, you go to point 7. And the floor temperature limit here is set to 27 degrees. So you can adjust it higher up to 45. And it goes turns over to 20. That's the lowest temperature setting what you can have the floor. So I'm just going to set this to 30. And that's it. The floor temperature limit is set to 30. So the screen shows the air temperature, and you cannot see the floor temperature like some other thermostat models show both at the same time. But you can check the floor temperature by holding these two arrows for 5 seconds. And then it shows the floor temperature, and then we'll switch back to room temperature. So this is how you can check the floor temperature on your Heatmiser thermostat. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I can answer them in the next video.